Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Dora, and in this one I want to talk about Clickbank affiliate marketing. More precisely, I want to share with you one very powerful strategy that you can use to actually identify products on Clickbank that will help you multiply your money without putting in any extra work. So what's very cool is you can put in the same amount of work, same amount of effort, same marketing dollars, but basically your money can multiply if you follow the strategy I'm about to show you. Now, before we get into this part, if this is your first time here on this channel, welcome. My name is Dora, and here you can find a lot of different content on how to actually make money with Clickbank and build affiliate business. So if you want more content, more videos and this type of information, feel free to subscribe. So let me actually show you how to identify those products that will help you multiply your money. So to do this, I'm going to choose products, so I'll click here on affiliate marketplace. And here I'm going to choose one category. So for example, we can go with health and fitness. So basically here we have all of those products in health and fitness category, right? Now the thing is, what most affiliates would do to choose product is they would either sort results by gravity, or what they would do is they would take a look at this average per sale amount, right? Basically this number right here, this number. So the higher that number, people would be more likely to promote the product. But here's the thing, what I want to do again, I want to make sure that the work that I'm doing today, it positions me for more money in the future. And to do this, I need to take a look at those numbers below the product. So there are two very important numbers that if you actually understand them and if you find products with good numbers, basically it can help you multiply your money. So the first thing that I'm looking for is basically I'm looking for recurring commissions. So basically those are products that give you that opportunity to make money over and over again from same customers. So what's very cool is you can focus on referring customers once, and as long as those people continue paying, you will basically continue to get paid. Now usually products with recurring commissions are some type of monthly subscription products, maybe some tools or membership sites and things like that, basically where people are paying monthly, right? Now, and again, what's very cool, you can put in the same amount of work, same amount of effort to actually acquire those people, but instead of just getting paid one time for all of those people, you are getting paid over and over again. So for example, let's just say you are focusing on referring 50 customers every single month. So first month you have 50 customers, right? Second month you have new 50 customers, and the third month you have additional 50 customers. Now, because there is recurring commissions, your money will grow exponentially. So you will not just earn, money for 50 new sales every month. Basically, you will still have that money from previous months, right? And basically your money will grow exponentially. So let me show you how to find those products with recurring commissions here on Clickbank. So for example, here with Flat Belly Fix, you need to take a look at two numbers. This average rebill total number and this average percentage rebill. So basically, if this average percentage rebill is 0, then basically means there is no recurring commissions, right? Basically you are getting paid once and that's it. But if this number is higher than 0, that means there is recurring commissions, you are getting paid over and over again. And basically those are type of products that I love to promote. Now in this example, and also here this number average rebill total, you can see in this example is $0.45, which is basically nothing, right? But basically this number shows you how much you would earn on average with all of those, after people got rebilled. Now, as you can see for this product, for Flat Belly Fix, average percentage rebill is 1%, which basically means, there is no rebill component, right? You can see $0.45, and basically there is no rebilling component. So if you decide to promote Flat Belly Fix in this example, you would make on average $38.07, but that's basically it, okay? There is no recurring commissions. Now, for example, let's take a look at some other products. For example, this one. Okay, so here you can see that on average, that average rebill total percentage is 43%, okay? So every single month, you would basically earn on average 43% of that money, of that amount your customers paid for that product. Now you can see that amount here. So you can see for this product is $297.91. And basically this is the first thing, okay? I'm looking for residual commissions. basically recurring commissions, right? Now the second thing is I'm looking for something called multiple price points. Okay, multiple price points. So what that means is basically, whatever product it is that you are promoting, every time you refer customer to that product, you are getting paid, right? You are making money. But the thing is, vendors, product owners, they keep our customers and they continue to market to our customers different products on the backend. And the thing is, on the backend, this is actually where most money is made. So basically, as people are going through the sales funnel, through this checkout process, people are presented with multiple products. But the thing is, usually as affiliates, we are not getting paid for all those backend products. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for products that will actually have these multiple price points included. So basically, opportunity for us affiliates to get paid for all those backend products, because again, this is where most money is made. So for example, let's go here to Clickbank. For this product, what I'm looking for, basically, let us say this is a product that I'm selling. Okay, so let me just click on it. And again, so basically every time I refer a customer to this product, I would make money. But vendors will keep my customer list of my customers and they will continue to market to my customers different products that actually make sense for customers and that will help them achieve that result they want to achieve faster and easier. So maybe, basically, this is some type of weight loss, right, supplement. So maybe, for example, let's just I'm selling workout program. So this is my program that I'm selling. So every time someone purchases that workout program, I would make money, right? But the thing is, as people are going through the sales funnel, people can be presented with multiple products that will actually help them lose weight faster and easier. So if this is that result they want to achieve, this is the reason why they are buying workout program. For example, people can be presented with some diet plan that can actually help them lose weight faster and easier. So if people are working out and also they are consuming right foods, it will be easier and faster for them to lose weight. So this can be one complementary product that actually makes sense for customers, and because it's making sense for customers, people are buying this product. But again, in most cases, as affiliates, we would not get paid for those for this complementary product. So what I'm looking for here on Clickbank. So let me go back to Clickbank. So basically here on Clickbank, to find those products that actually offers you that opportunity to make money on the backend, what I'm looking for is I need to compare two numbers. So let's actually go back to our product. So this first one, right? This is where we were taking a look at all of those numbers. So what I need to do is I need to compare this average per sale amount with this initial per sale amount. Okay, those two numbers, very, very important. Now basically, if those two numbers are the same numbers, that means there is no opportunity for us affiliates to make money on the backend. So we would just get paid for this first initial product, and that's basically it, right? Vendors will keep all the money on the backend. So basically, this is how you actually find out if there is this opportunity for you to make money on the backend. So in this example, you can see that average sale amount is $38.07. And initial sale amount is $37.87. So basically it's, maybe a few cents difference, but it's basically the same number, right? What that tells me is there is no opportunity for me to make money on the backend from all of those complementary products. So you are just getting paid for this first initial product and that's it. Now basically let's take a look at some other products. So in this example, for flat belly fix, you can see there is no recurring commissions. There is no opportunity for you to make money on the backend. So basically, it's basically just one and done. You sell this product, you make money, and that's it. There is no opportunity for you to actually multiply your money with this product. So let's take a look at some other products. Basically what I'm looking for is I want to show you a product that has this difference between average per sale amount and initial sale amount. But as you can see, a lot of products here, most of products here actually don't give you that opportunity to make money on the backend. So most of those products are actually just one and done products, right? This average per sale amount is the same as this initial sale amount. So it's hard to find those products, right? Because again, in most cases as affiliates, you would just make money for this first initial product. And initial product is that first product, right? So in this example, if I'm selling this Organifi, this is that initial product, right? This first product. Now all of those products, complementary products that customers are presented with within the funnel are complementary products, and as affiliates we would not get paid for all of those products. So now I actually know one product here in e-business and e-marketing category that actually has multiple price points. So let me try to find it. For example, this one, okay? Clickbank University. As you can see, average sale amount is $169, right? But this initial sale amount is $74. So what it tells me is basically because this average sale amount is higher number than this initial sale amount, basically there is more products that I'm earning commissions from, and there is this opportunity for me to make money on the backend, right? Because this average sale amount is higher number than this initial sale amount. So basically those two numbers are different. If average sale amount is much higher number than this initial sale amount, then basically tells me that there is this multiple price points opportunity for me to actually make money from all of those products within the funnel, right? From multiple products within the funnel. Now basically here also you can see there is actually very few products that gives you that opportunity. For example, this one here, you can see it's the same number, right? Average sale amount is the same as initial sale amount, so basically it's one and done. And also like rebill is 0%, so basically there's no opportunity for most products here on Clickbank. There's no opportunity for us to actually multiply our money, right? But there are few products that actually gives you that opportunity. And basically this is how you can find them, okay? So two very important numbers, two things that you can do that will actually help you multiply your income. So basically we have recurring commissions and multiple price points. And basically this is the strategy I wanted to show you in this video. A lot of people don't know about this. A lot of people are just looking at, okay, how much can I earn if I decide to sell this product, right? But they are not looking for these recurring commissions or multiple price points, which is very important, because this can help you multiply your money in a long term. And again, basically this is how the strategy works. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got some value from it. If you did, please give me some thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And also, if you want to learn more about how to actually make money with affiliate marketing, how to actually successfully sell Clickbank products, affiliate marketing products, what you can do is you can click on the first link in the description and you can access step-by-step guide, basically training that will show you exactly how to successfully sell affiliate products. So if you want to learn how to do this, feel free to check it out. It's amazing training. Basically that's it for this video. Again, I really hope this was helpful to you, and I'm looking forward to talk to you soon. Bye.